Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Excel worksheet template that becomes the default template for new sheets. This means every time you insert a new sheet, it will automatically include the content you've set up, whether that's a logo, formulas, tables, charts, or anything else. Step 1. Prepare your template sheet. Open a new workbook in Excel. Add all the content you want on your default sheet. But it could be your company logo, standard formulas, tables, or charts. Delete any extra sheets in the workbook so only your template sheet remains. Step 2. Save the workbook as a template. Go to File greater than Save As. Change Save as Type to Excel Template. Name the template sheet. It's important to name it Sheet for this to work as the default template for new sheets. Change the save location to the Excel Start folder. On a Windows PC, this is usually C:\users, \your username, \appdata, \roaming, \Microsoft, \Excel, \Excel Start. I'll create a separate video showing how to find this folder on your computer. Click Save. Step 3. Test your template. Create a new workbook and insert a new sheet. You'll see that your sheet now includes the content from your template, your logo, formulas, or whatever you added. And that's it. You've now created a default Excel worksheet template that automatically applies to every new sheet. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.